Welcome back to Grid Essentials, where we unlock the power of Excel one feature at a time. Today, we're diving into a fundamental yet incredibly useful section of the Home tab ribbon, the Clipboard Group. Let's explore how it works and how you can use it like a pro. The Clipboard Group in Excel is a powerful tool that makes copying, pasting, and managing data seamless. It consists of 4 key features: cut, copy, paste, and the format painter. Let's break them down one by one. The cut and copy commands are probably your go-to tools. Cut removes the data from its original location, allowing you to move it elsewhere. The cut data is no longer accessible from the original cell range because it is shifted to the new cell range. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut for cut to save time. First, select the range of data that you need to cut, and then hold down Ctrl plus X button on your keyboard to cut the data. Move the cursor to the new location and hold down Ctrl plus V button to paste the data. Repeat the procedure on the other range of data. Copy duplicates the data, keeping the original intact. The copy and paste command work in your favor if you already have the items or figures and want to copy them to the main worksheet without interfering with your original data. The copied data still remains accessible in the original cell range. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut for copy to save time. First, select the range of data that you need to copy and then hold down Ctrl plus C button on your keyboard to copy the data. Move the cursor to the new location and hold down Ctrl plus V button to paste the data. Repeat the procedure on the other range of data. Paste offers more than just placing your data. Use the drop-down menu to access options like values only, formatting, or even transpose, which flips rows into columns and vice versa. The format painter is your shortcut to consistency. It copies formatting from one cell or range to another in just a click. This is perfect for ensuring your reports or dashboards have a uniform look without manually formatting each section. Here, I show you practical examples of how you can use Format Painter to copy the original format of data in just one click. That's all for today's lesson on the Clipboard Group. By mastering these tools, you'll elevate your Excel efficiency and workflow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips and tricks. See you next time, and happy Excelling!